needs to stop now.
Hello every awesome one, it's your number one Ghana girl, Juju, bringing you awesomeness straight from Ghana. Oh yeah, take it. Now in case you haven't noticed, I hit 500 subscribers. That may be nothing to some of y'all, but like, yo, this lafa is strong. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the JuujuGH family. And if you are new here, while you're at it, just subscribe and join the family, okay? In case I still have 500 subscribers after this, I was like, oh, I mean, y'all have been too good to me, so why don't I do something nice for y'all and teach y'all how to beat your face into submission? Wear your face for when you don't know how to. Oh, darling. I have no idea how to wear my face. I'm like, today I am going to try and glam my face up from scratch. Big ups to all the beauty gurus. Like, how do y'all do it? I have watched like 1,000 videos on how to wear makeup, and there are so many ways. I'm going to combine methods that work for me, and hopefully I don't look like a drag queen after, because I'm gonna go to work with that face. I'm supposed to be at work right now. Let's do this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I watched like a billion videos before making this video, but I swear to God, like, okay, so the powder, the brushes I'm going to be using basically is this. I mean, my camera doesn't autofocus and do this magical stuff, but Naked Urban Decay brushes. I bought all this. Yo, like, makeup is not cheap. Okay, so first up is my eyebrows. What do I do first? So I'm going to use a pencil to draw my eyebrows. Didn't I sharpen you? Okay, so hopefully it doesn't become a disaster. What am I doing? So first you fill in the eyebrows, okay? Am I doing anything? Shout out to my homegirl who helped my disastrous eyebrows with the trim before this video, okay? Let me tell you, my brows were basically non-existent. That's a non-existence. Non-existent. So after the eyebrows, you can also do your eyes or just skip to the primer stage. But from another video I watched, I think I'll just do my eyes. This is the palette I used. This is the brush I used. Look at my eyes. Did it work? Is this working? Okay, never mind. And how can I forget mascara for the eyes? Yes, I don't have lashes, nor do I know how to even wear them, even if I had it. But yeah, so to make the eyes pop, pop. So to make the eyes pop, I have to say that again. Pop. So to make the eyes pop, you can use the mascara or you can wear lashes, you know, if you're extra like that. But I'm not extra like that. Although, okay, moving on. Okay, after that is the primer. Now I don't have a primer because I'm cheap as fuck. But yo, makeup is mad expensive. Respect to all the women who invest in looking good, like Charlie. Sorry, okay. Yeah, so as I said, I don't have primer, so what do I use? I use baby powder to prime my face. And then after that, I apply my foundation. I put it here. You take a blending brush. I don't know which is which, so I'm just gonna use this hard brush here, and I'm just gonna blend it all in, you know. This is probably not the brush they used, but I will use it anyway to blend this disaster up.
This needs to stop now.
Next is the concealer, and you also put that under your eyes, in the middle of your forehead, on the bridge of your nose, on your chin, and your upper lip, like everywhere. Okay, sorry, okay. So after that, you just leave it there to sit for a while according to what the videos I watched, and then you put this thingy on the line in your chin, on your face, you know, like to create something they call the contour. You contour your face. Yes, no. So now while you put the contour there, you blend the, what did they say? You blend the contour in. Now you blend it up, not forward or sideways or whatever it is. Yeah, give your face some contour and blend. You can now blend in the concealer. Yes, like that. Yeah, like that. Yes, mommy. Yes, honey. Yes, blend it in. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yes. After that, to set my face somewhere in there with the set and with my primer, aka baby powder. And I guess the rest of it all is just to blend it in. I created my own bronzer. Okay, so I take this brush and I apply this bronzer on my nose, on my upper lip, on my chin. Then when you're done, you're done. This is my face.
Let's get ready to rumble! I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
It's time to stop.
Another one.
I beat my face for y'all. Like, don't I deserve some accolades? OMG, I don't know how I did. Please, compared to all like the makeup I do in all my other videos, like just rate me from like 1 to 10. I'm going to give myself a solid 7 because, you know, I'm hard on myself. Where did I go wrong? Like, oh my god. Yo, this is time consuming. This video might be what, 10-15 minutes long, but I swear it took me like hours. I had to like switch between shooting the video and working, and OMG. Big ups to all the beauty and makeup people, vloggers out there, like sitting through this like all the time. How do you do it? Thank you so much for watching. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, check the notification bell so that you get notification when this weirdo who is wearing one earring and another earring here post a video. You know what's up. And to the new subscribers, welcome. In case you're lost, this is where I mix lifestyle and crazy in the mix. Check out the eyes though. Did I do well? I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, spread positive vibes only. Go forth and be awesome. Juju, I'm out.